Welcome to this tutorial on Kubernetes Default Namespace. In this video, we'll explore what the default namespace is, how it works, and when you should use it in your Kubernetes clusters. Understanding the default namespace is an essential part of learning Kubernetes basics. The default namespace is one of the built-in namespaces that Kubernetes creates automatically when you first install or set up a cluster. Whenever you create resources like pods, services, or deployments without explicitly specifying a namespace, Kubernetes automatically places them in the default namespace. This namespace essentially acts as a fallback or catch-all location for all your Kubernetes objects that don't have a designated home. Let's look at how to interact with the default namespace using kubectl. To list all pods in the default namespace, you simply run the command kubectl get pods. This command automatically queries the default namespace. If you want to be explicit about which namespace you're working with, you can use the command kubectl get pods dash and default. Both commands produce the same result, but the second one makes it clear that you're specifically targeting the default namespace. Knowing when to use the default namespace is crucial for maintaining a well-organized cluster. The default namespace is perfect for quick testing and experimentation when you're learning Kubernetes or trying out new features. It's also ideal for beginners who are just getting started with Kubernetes basics. However, you should avoid using the default namespace for production workloads or in multi-team environments. In these scenarios, the lack of organization and isolation can lead to accidental conflicts and make resource management very difficult. Here's the most important best practice to remember. Always create custom namespaces for your applications. Reserve the default namespace only for temporary tasks, experiments, or learning exercises. Organize your resources by creating separate namespaces based on environment, team, or project. This approach will help you maintain better security, implement proper access controls, and avoid resource conflicts as your Kubernetes usage grows. Following this practice from the beginning will save you significant trouble down the road.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.